Okay, we'll have to talk about this, Chrissy.
Yeah.
Itong kontrobersiya na may kinalaman sa ating kaibigang Willie Revillame, what do you want to say?
Okay. First of all, boy, Friday ko lang nalaman lahat.
We were talking about it. We were both
Yeah.
clueless. Kasi,
Hindi natin alam kung ano mga naganap
Okay.
kasi nandun ka sa sitwasyon na yon. And Friday, it so happened na mag-aayos kami ng gamit ng mom sa Times. So, si ate at si Pinky went to the house. So, I said, Thursday night kasi nakausap ko si Willie. Pero vague. I mean, hindi klaro. So, Friday namin pinanood sabay-sabay sa YouTube. And then, so, we didn't really get to talk about it much kasi nagpunta na kami sa Times and nag-ayos kami ng things ng mom.
that was your
Okay?
first visit, yes.
But on our way, so this is Friday, Willie asked, pwede ko bang makausap yung mga kapatid mo? So, kinausap niya si Pinky. Si Pinky yung una niyang nakausap. And then, sinabi ni Willie sa kanya na nagsasorry siya talaga. What Pinky said was, alam mo, napanood namin at nakikita naman namin na hindi yung intensyon ng masama. Yung pamamaraan ng pagsabi nun ang pwedeng maka-offend sa ilan. Pero Willie, naiintindihan ka namin. Sorry siya ng sorry kay Pinky. And Pinky said, as far as I'm concerned, Willie, it's finished. Let's move on. Okay, we accept your apology. Sunday, nagla-lunch kami, nag-text si Willie and he said, pwede bang makausap ko kayong lahat. So, feeling ko naman in our family, si ate ang dapat makausap niya talaga. So, I gave ate the phone. And then, again, Willie explained and said he was sorry. This is the part that I would like to share with everybody. I got certain text messages before coming here na kung ide-defend ko daw si Willie, parang binastos ko ng mom. At gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na Willie can very well defend himself. Pero ito po ang namagitan between him and our family. Nung nagsasorry si Willie kay ate, I didn't even know this boy. Sinabi ni ate sa kanya, alam mo Willie, nung time na nagkaroon ng problema yung puso mo, we were here in ate's house, dun sa Lanay. Kakakain namin ng dinner, naka-on yung TV sa TV Patrol. And niyayaya na namin ng mom na pumasok sa kwarto kasi time na para magrosaryo. Kasi every night, sabay-sabay silang nagpe-pray. And then mom said, wait, I want to know kung kamusta si Willie. And then ate told Willie, alam mo, mom really loved you. She really appreciated the fact na ang bait mo sa mga anak ni Chris. And sinabi ni ate sa kanya, Willie, as far as our family is concerned, nagsorry ka na, tinatanggap namin yung apology mo. Boy, we are not MTRCB, we are not ABS-CBN, we are not KBP, but we are the Aquino family. And if for our family, we take Willie's apology for what it is, an apology. And we accept the apology. Wala po sa kamay namin kung anong mangyayari in the future. Pero I can speak on behalf of myself, my sisters, and my brother. We accept his apology.